Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Dals and soups are both individually very comforting in their own styles. So today I'm going to share a very mild and soothing soup using these two elements together. We're going to make this delicious dal soup. People who are sick or who are just craving for some nice soothing food will definitely love this one. So let's get started and check out how to make this delicious dal soup easily. I have all the ingredients here that go into making the soup. For this recipe, I've taken 3 types of dals. To a bowl, add 2 tablespoons Toor Dal, 2 tablespoons Masoor Dal, and 2 tablespoons Moong Dal. Wash the dals, pour a little water, and let it soak for about 10 minutes. To the pressure cooker, add 3 teaspoons of ghee, 2 large cloves of garlic roughly chopped, small piece of ginger finely chopped, 2 large green chillies roughly chopped. Next, add 1 medium-sized onion roughly chopped. Saute for a few minutes. Now add 1 medium-sized tomato roughly chopped. Next, add 1 cup of pumpkin pieces. Also add 1 large carrot chopped. So mix all the vegetables well. So I'm using pumpkin and carrots for the dal soup. You can add other vegetables like peas or beans for the soup. So once you've sauteed the vegetables for a few minutes, add the soaked dal. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well. Now pour about 2 cups of water. Mix everything well. Just make sure the vegetables are completely immersed in water. Place the weight and let it pressure cook for about 3 to 4 whistles on medium flame. So after 4 whistles, I've turned off the stove. So you can see the vegetables are cooked beautifully. Cool this mixture completely. Now I'm going to grind it in 2 batches. So just add half of the mixture first, pour a little water and grind it to a nice fine puree. After grinding the soup mixture to a nice creamy consistency, transfer it to another pan. Since the soup is extremely thick, we're just going to dilute it by adding a little bit of water. So this is going to give you a nice soupy consistency, not too thick or too runny. To make the soup all the more flavorful, I'm adding a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon Kashmiri Chilli powder. Mix everything well. So you can check for seasoning at this point, and if you do need to add a little bit of salt, you can add. If you do feel the soup is very thick, you can always dilute it by adding a little bit of water to get the right consistency. Let this simmer for about 5 minutes on medium-low flame. Just add a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Mix that in. It's going to give you a lot of flavor, and let it simmer for another 2 minutes. As you're simmering the soup, if you feel it's thickening, you can always dilute it by adding a little bit of hot water. So this creamy, protein-rich and delicious dal soup is done. Make sure you serve it nice and hot. I'm garnishing it by sprinkling some Kashmiri Chilli powder and some chopped coriander leaves. Now I'm just serving it with some nice papad by the side. You can enjoy it however you like. So if you guys are on a diet, or if you want to cut down a meal and enjoy something very light for your dinner, this is the soup to go to. I'll give you a couple of links for the other soup recipes that I've made. You can check them out as well. So here is this very creamy and very filling and comforting dal soup that you can enjoy anytime. So in case you want to enjoy a nice light evening meal, you can make this soup. It's extremely filling, and if you want to, you can add other vegetables of your choice to make it more appetizing. Do try the recipe, enjoy, and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications.
The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.